Good morning, children. Today we are going to see the continuation of the lesson from physics. Lesson number 1, physical quantities and measurement. In last class we have discussed about how to measure an irregular areas, how to measure the volume of the liquids, and how to measure the volume of irregular solid. In today's class we are going to see about what is density and what is relative density. Many people will say that iron is heavier than wood. This appears to be reasonable, but it is not always true. For example, small iron nail is lighter than a large log of wood. So we have to compare the heaviness or lightness of two different materials. We need to compare the mass of the object and volume of the object. So we can measure the mass of the object and volume of the object. We do that with the help of this quantity called as density. What is density? Density of a substance is the mass of unit volume of a substance. So density can be expressed by mass by volume. So to measure the heaviness or lightness of two different materials, we can do it with the help of this density. So here, by measuring the mass of the object, and measuring the mass is nothing but the weight of the object, and volume is the space occupied by the object. But comparing this, we can identify the density of the object. So density make it easy to compare the heaviness or lightness of different material. Density is a physical quantity, so it can be measured. The SI unit of density is kilograms per cubic meter. In symbol we write as kg by meter cube. In what is relative density? Relative density is useful to compare the densities of different substance with the density of standard substance. So relative density is used to compare the different density of the substance with the known or standard density of the substance. The relative density, or it is also called as comparative density. This relative density or comparative density can be expressed in numbers without units. The number gives us a clear idea about the comparative objects, heaviness or lightness of different substance. The density of water is taken as a standard with which the density of other substances are compared. So relative density are also called as specific density. And the formula we use to find out the relative density or comparative density is relative density is equal to density of the substance, what we are going to find out, and it should be divided by density of the water. Here some of the densities of common substance are given. Water, the density is 1000 and relative density is 1.0. And here you can see only it is expressed relative density. RT is nothing but relative density. It is expressed only in numbers. It has no unit. For kerosene, 800 kilogram per meter cube. For mercury, 13,600 kilogram per meter cube. And relative density is 13.6. For ice, 9,016 kilogram per meter cube. And iron. So we can easily find out the relative density by using the formula, the density of the substance. For example, we have to find out the relative density of the kerosene, means the density of the kerosene is 800. So 800 should be divided by the relative density 1.0. So we can able to find out the relative density of the relative density of the water is 1. And the relative density is a number, and it is said it has no units. And the substance with relative density is greater than 1 or greater than 1 is heavier than water, and those with relative densities are lesser than 1 are considered as lighter than water. Example, steel, gold, mercury are heavier than water because it has a relative density greater than 1, and ice, cork, kerosene are lighter than water because it has a relative density less than 1. So things that are heavier than water sink in the water, things that are lighter will float on the water. Now we are going to see about what is the difference between mass and weight. Mass is the basic property of all material objects or all the things that is made up of matter. Mass is the basic things that all things are made up of matter. So what is mass? Mass is the amount of matter in a body. Mass is not related to size. Example, here you can see in the picture a ball of candy floss is made from spoonful of sugar. But here a ball of candy floss takes more space than the sugar. However, these two have same mass because it contains a same amount of matter, because it contains the same amount of sugar. So mass is nothing but the amount of matter in the body. But weight of the body is the property which tells you about the body is heavy or light. This weight of the body depends on the mass of the body. Weight is depend on the amount of matter, that is the mass which is present in the body. So a body of greater mass appears to be heavier in weight, and the body with less mass appears to have less weight. So weight of the body is the force which is attracted by the gravity. When we compare mass and weight, both mass and weight are physical quantities. We can measure it, and we can also express in the term of numbers and units. And as well as both mass and weight are closely related one, because we can weight, I said, this depends on the property of heaviness or lightness of the object. That heaviness and lightness of the object are decided by the amount of matter, that is the mass of the object. Even though they are closely related, they have two different physical quantities. The SI unit of mass is kilogram and weight is force. So the SI unit of mass is kilogram and SI unit of force is Newton. You will learn about this in more detail in your higher class, children. Thank you, children.